All right, Mike, what are we doing today?
Putting a tub and shower diverter in and sheetrock in the bathroom. We got an acrylic tub. We're gonna set the tub and eventually we'll tile. We're not doing a shower surround or nothing. So we'll box the tub, install it. All right, before you do anything, you want to always dry fit the tub. Put it in, make sure it's touching everywhere, and then you can put your level going this way, and usually I have a 2-footer for level going this way. And it looks like this front side needs to come up a little bit, and then this whole back side wall needs to come up a little bit. So what we'll do, we'll kind of shim it to get it level, and you want to read the instructions on every tub is different. They want us to put a stringer back there, even though it's acrylic. They want us to stringer back there.
A stringer as in like a 2x4?
Yeah, back there and back there to level it. You should put, I like to put structolite underneath fiberglass tubs. They don't tell you in the instructions to on this one. A lot of them they do, but I'm gonna put structolite anyway, just to be safe about it. So we'll have to do this a couple of times in and out until we get it perfectly level, and then we'll mix up the structolite and then set the tub.
We did that in a previous video, right?
Yeah, for the shower base.
Yeah.
So.
Quick wrap-up video for the bathtub. That's how you install a bathtub. And you didn't do it right if you're not furious at the end.
Yep. They're the worst.
There we go.